Hey, good day everyone. My name is James Cantil. My my assigned topic is analyzing and evaluating job. Job analysis. A job analysis is a step-by-step specification of an employment position, requirements, function, and procedures. Successes, HR, and practice can lead to outcomes and create competitive advantage. So, natay mga knowledge, skills, ability. Oh, example sa job analysis. This is the process studying and creating detailed information about a job to understand its tasks, responsibilities, and required qualification. Pag mga tayo najud dapat ang skills para pagtrabaho na natay ipakita o ability kay importante gyud na sa trabaho para makabalo taon sa atong trabaho o para ma-apply ta dali ra madawat. So job evaluation. Job evaluation is the process of systematically determining Job evaluation is the process of systematically determining a relative internal value of job organization. So natay job ranking, job classification, factor comparison, point method, consideration. So ang job ranking kay as a manager kay kailangan din nato nga ipatason ang mga atong employee taga atong dagong sweldo o patasan nilang ranggo. Sa job classification ay job classification. The job classification method use the classes. So job classification kay makita nato sa mga flyers unsa mga requirements unsa nga trabaho iyang applyan. Factor comparison. The factor comparison method is more scientific. Factor comparison kay based on skills, responsibilities, effort, working condition, and education. Factors weight and case, monetary value, and job are ranked by the relative importance in each company. Method. The point method measure performance, youth, skills, and job. So kailangan dyan nato nga natay performance o nindot atong performance o nindot atong ipakita nga trabaho para sa atong job na applyan. Okay. Consideration is usually seen as the most reliable and valid evaluation method sa job ranking method. Ikaw daw ay patasan na kag-ranggo, kailangan jud nga nindot mong ipakita o nadyo kay ability sa trabaho, nadyo kay mga skills as a employee. Kadwalay compensation, salary, administration. Compensation is the tool used by management for a variety of purpose of other. Kani daw is sa mga sahod sa mga employee, tumutukoy sa presyo, pamahala at pagpapatupad ng istruktura ng sweldo at benepisyo ng isang kumpanya. Compensation may be used to recruit and retain qualified employees increase and maintain moral satisfaction, reward and encourage peak performance, achieve internal and external equality, reduce turnover and encourage company loyalty, modify practice of onions. Stop. Components of compensation system. Compensation will be perceived by employees as fair if base. So, pag musuldo daw ka sa employee kay same lang as a employee, kaya ginapakita nila nga nindot ilang paghatag or pag-receive sa mga trabaho. The same magyapon sa job description, job analysis, job evaluation, pay structure. So, ito. Salary surveys. Collection of salary and reader data may include average salaries, information, inductor, salary, budget, average. So ang mga sweldo sa mga employee sa nagtrabaho sa kumpanya sa ilang gibahin-bahin para masakto sa pagsweldo.